Hello and Happy New Year. I'm Debbie Palmer, owner of Palmer Preferred Travel, with your quick Tuesday travel tip. I just returned from my travels to the Virgin Islands and the British Virgin Islands. More on that later in the month. Today I want to share the parking options at the Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport, which is Terminal 1. Did you know that you can purchase your parking online before you arrive at the airport? When you do this in advance, you don't have to worry about getting a spot. I will leave the link below. Select your airline, date of departure, and arrival, along with the times. You need to do this at least 3 days in advance. You select your parking, print your confirmation email, or save it on your mobile device. When you're at the parking lot, you scan the code to gain entry and find the first open space. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. For instance, if you're flying Delta, your options are the Quick Ride Ramp, which is a 5-minute shuttle. This is your cheapest option. The next option is daily parking. It's a 3 to 8-minute walk via the Skyway or tram ride. The next option is Terminal 2, a 10 to 30-minute connection via light rail. There are maps and more information with the link below. Did you know the new 5,000 space parking ramp is opening in 2020? If you're looking for assistance in planning your next vacation, I'm your gal. Go to palmerpreferredtravel.com and sign up for your free 15-minute consultation with me. Also, if you're enjoying my Tuesday travel tips, just subscribe below and share with your fellow travelers. Happy New Year and cheers to safe travels.